In this video, we're going to show you how to measure and determine what size flat face couplings you have on your machine. These couplings are often used to connect stuff like a hydraulic breaker or one of our Rhinox tilt ditching buckets to your excavator. However, they do come in multiple different sizes, so it is important to make sure you get the right one. Otherwise, you're going to end up spending more money buying different couplings or different adapters to make your attachment fit. You can measure either the male or the female flat face coupling, and you can also do it while it's still attached to the excavator themselves. However, for the ease of the video, I am going to use a couple that aren't fitted to the machine just so I can demonstrate a little bit easier to you guys. Now, the names of these couplings are usually done in inches. So for example, this one is actually a 1/2 inch coupling. Now, the problem with the inches is it is hard to get an accurate measurement. So for the purpose of measurements, we are going to actually do this using millimeters rather than inches. So to start off with, we're going to measure the male version of the flat face coupling. Now, to do this, what we want to do is measure the outside diameter of the flat face end. So as you can see there, that is just under 25 millimeters. Now, the actual measurement for this 1/2 inch flat face coupling is 24.5 millimeters. However, if you can measure 1/2 millimeter with a tape measure, you've got much better eyesight than I have. Now, just bear in mind that the next size up from the 1/2 inch flat face coupling is a 5/8 inch flat face coupling, which the measurement across the circle is actually 27 millimeters. So it's only 2.5 millimeters larger, which is why you have to be accurate when measuring these couplings. So now to measure the female version of a flat face coupler, the way you want to do this is to measure this ring here. Now, you can test which ring you need to be measuring by just pressing down on it, and the part that moves, you want to be measuring the outside diameter of that circle. So if we just line the tape measure up there, you should see that this piece is also 25 millimeters, which means this coupling is also a 1/2 inch flat face coupling. Now, I would recommend measuring both the male and the female flat face couplings on your excavator, as it doesn't happen very often. However, I have seen it where we've had two different sizes on each side, so you may need to buy one side just to get a matching pair if that is the case. Just so you know, we've put a downloadable file in the description below with different size references for each of the flat face couplings for your future reference. If you want to know more about our tilt grading bucket range, check this video here, and don't forget to subscribe to Rhinox so you don't miss some more exciting content. Still attached to the machine, and the female